We're officially entering a new season, which means your designs and your digital shop should be leaning into winter vibes. Today, we're creating a merry little bridal shower design together using Templett. First, let's take a look at the pre-made designs. Let's scroll a bit, and this one right here is the one we're going to work with. The first thing I'm going to do is remove the floral illustration since we're switching it to a winter theme. Now let's make some changes to the heading. I'm adding bridal shower on one line, and on another line, I'll add a merry little. Let's adjust it a bit and make sure the layout feels balanced. Next, fonts. For all the general text, I'm using Cormorant. For the text we want to highlight, like the name and the words bridal shower, I'm using Italiano. And for a merry little, I want it all in capital letters, so let's switch that. Now let's move everything into place and double check the spacing. Now for colors, I'm adding a little bit of red to tie in that Christmas-inspired look, just enough to give the design a festive touch without overpowering it. What's really going to scream holiday is what we're doing next. Let's go to Elements, then Illustration, and type Christmas. We're adding this Christmas tree, and let's make sure it fits nicely with the layout. At this point, we just need to make sure everything is aligned and spaced correctly so the overall design looks polished and professional. That's how quick and easy it is to create a new template without starting from scratch for your digital shop. Go visit Templett and try it out yourself. We post videos like this every week, so tap the subscribe button so you don't miss out. And if you can comment or like, we'd really appreciate the support to keep growing our channel.